Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jovelyn. So today's episode we are going to make ampalaya with shrimp or shrimp with ampalaya. So this is the ampalaya, Filipino cucumber on a bitter side of it, or this is called bitter gourd. So I'm just slicing them up like this, thin. How are you guys doing? I miss you all. Thank you for all my 3,000 subscribers and more. So let's just do this real quick. To those who are new in here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel before you leave. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm back here in my stove with my pan, frying pan. Just oil. Okay, so let's put some butter. I'm using this kind, about 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay. Okay. And let's add some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Right. And let's just swirl like this. Right. My baby. I got some garlic in here, crushed garlic. You just saute real quick. This is just going to be quick and easy meal, guys. Dish. That smells good. Okay, got some shallots. Just saute the shallots until it becomes translucent. Okay, got some tomatoes. Just saute it real quick. Okay, now I'm adding my shrimp. This is about 1 pound of shrimp. Heads and tail on, you guys. Whoa. Woo. I'm just gonna add some salt, sprinkle of salt, ground black pepper. It's a little dark in here. Let me turn the light on. Is that a little better? Look at these. Okay. So that's our shrimp. Let's squeeze in some lemon. I'm just gonna sprinkle some fish sauce in it. Give it a little mix. Yeah. And I'm gonna add in our Ampalaya. Ampalaya goes in. And give it a little mix. Whoa, that looks good already. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar. I'm using this kind of sugar. Sugar. Okay. Let's just mix it in some more. Whoa. That looks yum already, you guys. This is going to be yum. I'm sorry to my non-Filipino friends that you have to see this. The eyes and all that. But we love it. We love sucking in them eyes, you guys. I'm just gonna leave it like this without covering it so it will dry up a little bit and cook the shrimp some more without having some juice in here. Okay. Simple as that. Okay, friends, this is looking good now. It's so easy and yummy, you guys. Whoa. That is looking beautiful. Pretty. Okay. And then I'm gonna have some rice with it. Super simple and easy. Whoa. Look at that beautiful dish. Beautiful baby. Let's dig in. Dig in, guys. Dig in.